Hi there, we got a 2009 BMW Z4 and I've had this horrible creaking sound on the front. We've looked everywhere on forums to see what it is, and a lot of people have come to the conclusion that it seems to be these strut bars and these starred bolts come loose. So I had BMW check this on a service and they reckon they couldn't find the creaking sound, but it is absolutely so annoying on certain times. So one day I decided, I just started to open the roof and all of a sudden the creaking stopped. So on further investigation, now whether this will work for you or not, or whether you've got this creaking sound, these two bullet type locators which go into this part of the windscreen, and you can see that this part here gets really dry and inside here. So what I did, I have cleaned it off at the moment. What I did, I put a little smear of grease across there and a little bit of grease down in there and a small bit of grease round here. Job done. Drive the car, no creaking. Whether that'll work for you, I don't know, but all I did, a little bit of grease, and all I did was I smeared a little tiny bit of grease on there, put a bit of grease on the roller there, and a little tiny bit of grease inside there, and just wiped it off. And then I put a small amount of grease around here and a little bit round there, and there's like a little bolt type thing there, tiny bit of grease on that. That's all I did. Lowered the roof down and then the noise had gone. So whether that will work for you, I don't know, but something else on a Z4 to stop a creak. Thanks for watching.